Hair loss is a common concern that affects millions of people worldwide. It can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetics, hormonal changes, stress, and nutritional deficiencies. While there are numerous hair loss treatments available, many people are turning to natural remedies as a gentler and potentially safer alternative. Natural remedies, often derived from plants and herbs, have been used for centuries to address various health concerns, including hair loss. These remedies are often preferred for their holistic approach and minimal side effects. Among the many natural ingredients, aloe vera stands out as a popular choice for promoting hair growth. Its therapeutic properties have been recognized for centuries, and its use in hair care dates back to ancient civilizations. Aloe vera is a succulent plant that thrives in warm climates. It is widely cultivated for its medicinal and cosmetic uses. The gel-like substance found within the leaves of the aloe vera plant is a treasure trove of beneficial compounds. Many cultures have long revered aloe vera for its healing properties. Its use in traditional medicine is a testament to its effectiveness in addressing various ailments. Today, modern science is catching up with ancient wisdom, and research is confirming the numerous benefits of aloe vera for hair and skin. Aloe vera is a powerhouse of nutrients that can work wonders for your hair. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and E, all of which are essential for healthy hair growth. Vitamin A helps in the production of sebum, the natural oil that keeps your scalp moisturized. Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, protects your hair from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin E, another antioxidant, improves blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring that hair follicles receive adequate nutrients. But the benefits don't stop there. Aloe vera also contains enzymes that help to break down dead skin cells on the scalp, promoting a healthier environment for hair growth. These enzymes also help to balance the pH level of the scalp, which can further contribute to healthier hair. A balanced scalp pH is crucial for optimal hair follicle function. Furthermore, aloe vera has moisturizing properties that can soothe a dry and itchy scalp. It's a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture. This is particularly beneficial for people with dry or flaky scalps, as it can help to alleviate dryness and itching. Extracting fresh aloe vera gel from the plant is a simple process that allows you to experience its full potency. Begin by selecting a mature aloe vera leaf. A mature leaf will be plump and have a deep green color. Carefully cut the leaf from the base of the plant using a sharp knife or scissors. Once you have your aloe vera leaf, wash it thoroughly with water to remove any dirt or debris. Next, using a knife, carefully slice off the spiky edges of the leaf. These edges do not contain gel and can be discarded. Now lay the leaf flat on a cutting board and slice it open lengthwise. You will notice a clear, gel-like substance inside. This is the aloe vera gel. Using a spoon or a clean finger, scoop out the gel from the leaf and collect it in a bowl. The gel can be used immediately or stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for later use. Freshly extracted aloe vera gel is most potent, but refrigerated gel can last for several days. While using pure aloe vera gel on your hair is beneficial, combining it with certain oils can enhance its effectiveness. Creating an aloe vera and oil hair mask is a simple yet powerful way to nourish your scalp and promote hair growth. This mask combines the moisturizing properties of aloe vera with the nourishing benefits of various oils. To make this potent hair treatment, you'll need to gather a few ingredients. Start with 2 tablespoons of freshly extracted aloe vera gel. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, known for its ability to penetrate the hair shaft and reduce protein loss. Next, add 1 tablespoon of castor oil, which is believed to promote hair growth and thicken hair. Finally, include 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil rich in antioxidants that protect hair from damage. Once you have all your ingredients, thoroughly mix them in a bowl until you achieve a smooth and consistent paste. Apply this mask to your scalp and hair, gently massaging it in circular motions. Leave the mask on for at least 30 minutes, allowing your scalp and hair to absorb all the nutrients. Afterward, rinse your hair thoroughly with a mild shampoo, followed by a conditioner if needed. Consistency is crucial when it comes to reaping the full benefits of aloe vera for hair growth. Just like any other hair care routine, using aloe vera sporadically will not yield noticeable results. The key is to incorporate it into your regular hair care regimen and use it consistently over a period of time. For best results, consider applying aloe vera gel or the aloe vera and oil hair mask 2 to 3 times a week. This frequency allows the nutrients in aloe vera to penetrate the scalp and hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth over time. Remember, patience is key when it comes to natural remedies. Don't expect overnight miracles. Instead, focus on consistent use and allow your hair time to respond to the treatment. It's also important to note that results may vary from person to person. Factors such as hair type, severity of hair loss, and overall health can influence the effectiveness of aloe vera. While some individuals may experience noticeable hair growth, others may see improvements in hair texture, thickness, or scalp health. While aloe vera is generally safe for topical use, it's essential to perform a patch test before applying it to your scalp, especially if you have sensitive skin. Apply a small amount of aloe vera gel to the inside of your forearm, and wait for 24 hours to see if any allergic reactions occur. If you experience redness, itching, or any other adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. It's also important to remember that aloe vera is not a magic cure for hair loss. While it can promote hair growth and improve scalp health, it may not be effective for everyone, especially those experiencing hair loss due to underlying medical conditions. If you're concerned about hair loss, it's always best to consult a dermatologist or trichologist to determine the underlying cause and discuss appropriate treatment options. Remember, addressing hair loss often requires a multifaceted approach that may involve a combination of lifestyle changes, dietary modifications, and medical treatments, along with natural remedies like aloe vera. Incorporating aloe vera into your hair care routine can be a rewarding experience. Not only can it potentially promote hair growth, but it can also leave your hair feeling soft, shiny, and healthy. Embrace the journey to healthier hair and explore the benefits of this natural wonder. As with any natural remedy, it's important to approach it with realistic expectations. Aloe vera is not a quick fix, but rather a long-term commitment to nourishing your hair and scalp. Remember that consistency is key. Make aloe vera a regular part of your hair care routine and give it time to work its magic. Listen to your hair and adjust your routine as needed. While aloe vera is generally beneficial, every individual's hair is unique. What works wonders for one person may not have the same effect on another. Be patient, experiment, and find what works best for you. As you embark on this journey to healthier hair, remember that true beauty lies in embracing your natural self and celebrating the uniqueness of your hair. Disclaimer: results may vary. Consult a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment. Subscribe to our channel for more natural hair care tips,